Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tip. Just a quick one today. I got our patio door, see it? So before that falls off on you, what you do, you get yourself a Phillips screwdriver and you just tighten that up. Bottom. There, good as new. Okay, you leave it, it falls off, it's gonna be a lot more of a headache. While you're there, just check the other side. You can see the amount of turns I've made. That one was also loose. Okay, there we go. Sorted, done, dusted. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck. See you later. Okay, the next issue we're having with our door is if you look just here, as I close the door, it's hitting against there. Right? So if I push the door over that way, then it clears it. So what I'm going to do now, I can't really show you because the sun's blinding me. Just there is a screw. So I'm going to try and tighten that. I'll try and tighten all these screws along here and see if it'll pull the whole of this bit back over that way. Okay, start with this one. And as you can see, it is fairly loose. Look at the amount of turns I'm making on it. So pull that right in. Tighten up, come down. The next one, just inside there. You can see they're all fairly loose. Let's try these while we're here. Right, next one down. I'll tighten that one. Tighten that one. I'll tighten that one. I'll drop the camera. Yeah, now we've seen that one.
Rubbish.
That one's tight. And that is tight. So, what we're gonna do now is try our door and see what happens. And there you are. Perfect solution to our problem. That's where it was catching before. We've cured it. Apart from I've noticed now, it looks like a gap just between the door, just down there. You can see daylight. As it comes up, you can see it. You cannot see it. Anyway, that's how it goes. We're gonna plod on with the other bit. If we can show you something else, we will. In the meantime, take care. See you later. Have a good life.